Hello guys, and welcome to my new hobby, 3D printing. Okay, let me show you the special stuff that I have here in the bathroom. Still not finished this bathroom, that's why I'm using like a work garage. As you can see, let me show you. So we will start with the H2C. I have here the stop H2C. I have two AMS. Already finished one print here. A special print for a special PLA aero, very light. Using for make a airplane. Then the H2C has already I did a profile table, aluminum profile tables. I was before making racing simulation and I was not using the setup, so I removed all of this and I created this table. So now also in the bottom we have the A1 Mini with that one AMS there. Sorry, it's a little bit dark there. And later on I will show you what's going on with this and setup and settings for the PLA aero. On the right side from the H2C we have the A2L. Now I have a AMS connected to the A2L, and I have the TPU right now printing some mat for my table. I need to use this. With this in this position, this position doesn't work too very well, so it's better to put it there. And it's on the top of IKEA table right now. I think I want to use this space for something else. I'm not sure for what. Maybe filament, I don't know. And of course this printer, when it's working very fast, is moving like crazy the tables. That's why it's using his own table right now. On the right side I have this like storage for filament and other stuff. I will change this for a more professional rack for filament, so I have a better overview of what I have. Right now I have a little mess here. It's really tight here, and yeah, you can see. Yes, on the other side I have a table that I bought it because it has also wheels, like the H2C also have wheels here in the bottom to move much easier. And yeah, this table is going to be used for another printer. I'm going to put together the VzBot. I want to try to make the VzBot. I will do videos about that. I have some stuff already here. Tomorrow is coming the next stuff, and yeah, that's why here is prepared for that, for this project. Close to the table we have another sideboard where I have I'm using just for the A2L storage for the cut system, some other stuff that normally I'm not using, but I put it there in case I need it. And I'm preparing here on these parts for an open grid system for putting more stuff and have on the hand and ready to use. So guys, that is the presentation of my 3D printing hobby. I will be posted with more projects and tips and tricks and issues. And you know, in this hobby there is always issues, but this is the magic about that: learning, doing, and trying again. Thank you very much. If you have any question, please let me know. I will be checking my comments in YouTube. Thank you. Bye bye.